Welcome to Discover Agriculture. In today's video, we're exploring the essential steps to successful onion farming. Onions, Allium cepa, are a staple in cuisines worldwide, valued for their flavor and versatility. Whether you're an experienced farmer or new to agriculture, this guide will help you grow high-quality onions. From selecting the right variety to harvesting, we'll cover everything you need to know to cultivate a bountiful onion crop. Onions thrive in well-drained, fertile soils with a pH of 6 to 6.8. Select a site with full sun exposure. Prepare the soil by tilling to a depth of 15 to 20 centimeters, removing weeds and debris. Incorporate organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, to enhance soil fertility and structure. Onions can be grown from seeds, sets, or transplants. For seeds, sow them 1 centimeter deep in rows 30 centimeters apart. Thin seedlings to 10 to 15 centimeters apart once they are 10 centimeters tall. For sets or transplants, plant them 2 to 3 centimeters deep and space them 10 to 15 centimeters apart in rows 30 centimeters apart. Onions require consistent moisture, especially during bulb formation. Water the plants evenly and deeply, ensuring the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Use drip irrigation to minimize water wastage and reduce the risk of fungal diseases. Keep the onion beds free of weeds, which can compete for nutrients and water. Use shallow cultivation or mulching to suppress weed growth. Be careful not to damage the shallow roots of the onion plants while weeding. Apply a balanced fertilizer before planting to ensure the soil has adequate nutrients. Side dress with nitrogen-rich fertilizer during the growing season to promote healthy growth. Avoid excessive nitrogen late in the season, as it can delay bulb maturation. Monitor the crop for common pests like thrips, onion maggots, and cutworms. Use organic pesticides and integrated pest management practices to control infestations. Watch for diseases such as downy mildew, purple blotch, and onion smut. Ensure proper spacing and air circulation to reduce disease risk. As the onions grow, ensure they are adequately spaced to avoid crowding. Remove any flower stalks that appear to direct the plant's energy toward bulb development. Keep the soil evenly moist and free of weeds. Onions are ready for harvest when the tops begin to yellow and fall over. Stop watering about a week before harvesting to allow the bulbs to mature and dry. Carefully lift the onions from the soil using a garden fork or spade. Leave them to dry in the field for a few days, then cure them in a warm, dry, well-ventilated area for 2 to 3 weeks. After curing, trim the tops and roots and store the onions in a cool, dry place with good air circulation. Properly cured onions can be stored for several months. Check them regularly for signs of rot or disease and remove any affected bulbs promptly. Onion farming is a rewarding endeavor that requires careful planning and management. By following these steps, you can grow healthy, flavorful onions and enjoy a successful harvest. Thank you for watching Discover Agriculture. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more farming tips and tutorials. Happy farming!